Welcome to Rome Tips. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience using the tool. Today, we're exploring OnTrajectory, found at https://ontrajectory.com. OnTrajectory offers a unique approach to personal knowledge management, aiming to bridge the gap between simple note-taking and complex network thought. It provides a platform where you can not only capture your ideas but also connect them, visualize their relationships, and ultimately, gain deeper insights from your accumulated knowledge. Unlike traditional note-taking applications that often leave you with a sea of disconnected notes, OnTrajectory encourages you to build a dynamic web of interconnected ideas. This interconnectedness facilitates the discovery of new connections and fosters a more holistic understanding of your personal knowledge landscape. The platform boasts several key features designed to empower users in their knowledge management journey. These include a flexible graph visualization tool, allowing you to see your thoughts laid out visually, and a robust linking system to forge connections between different concepts. Furthermore, OnTrajectory offers features for backlinking, making it easy to see how different ideas relate and influence one another. With its focus on visualizing connections, OnTrajectory moves beyond simple note organization and delves into the realm of knowledge synthesis. This allows you to explore your ideas from different perspectives, identify patterns, and generate new insights. Whether you're a student, researcher, or simply someone looking to better organize and understand their thoughts, OnTrajectory provides a compelling platform for building and exploring your personal knowledge graph. It empowers you to move beyond static notes and engage with your ideas in a more dynamic and meaningful way. So, if you're looking for a tool to help you connect the dots in your thinking, OnTrajectory might just be the perfect solution. Be sure to check it out and see how it can help you unlock the full potential of your knowledge.